I only got a few minutes. This better be good.
What? Oh no, oh god!
You alright, Spusky?
Fluffy, I need your help. Come here.
This sounds risky. Is it an emergency this time?
Just come here, though!
Alright. What happened here?
I fell in.
Yeah, how though?
Playing.
Spusky, how many times do I have to tell you not to play in the bathroom?
I'm sorry, I need your help!
Oh, brother!
Oh.
I'm joking. You know you're like my brother and I'll help you, right?
Yeah.
Good. Alright, hang tight. Spusky Gus! Spusky Gus! Where are you?
Yeah, new to the systems, are you?
Hi. Yes, I guess.
I know these sewers quite well. Where do you seek?
Wherever our toilet leads to.
The toilet tunnels. Excellent. Follow me.
I don't know, you're really weird and making me uncomfortable.
Haven't you ever heard don't judge a book by its cover?
I guess.
Tell me, what are you here for?
My friend clogged the toilet and I gotta get him out.
He sounds foolish.
Okay, again, that's really rude and weird coming from you. You don't even know him.
I've lived here for years. I know when I smell something fishy.
There's nothing fishy about Spusky Gus.
What does Spusky mean?
I don't know, it's just what he is. It doesn't matter if he needs my help a lot because I'm here to give it.
In mumbling mindlessly, you admit your true feelings. You believe Spusky Gus depends on you.
So what if he needs me? I need him too.
Your need is for fulfillment. His incompetence makes you feel superior.
No, that's not entirely true. I like helping him, but I don't need him to feel good about myself.
Remember that next time he clogs the toilet. We have arrived.
I don't see my toilet.
You are foolish just like your friend is foolish. You are but a couple of foolish, fooly dogs.
You used the book cover saying against me. Please, just don't mug me.
Oh. I was just gonna push you down for fun. But that's a better idea. Give me everything you have.
Think this through. I'm a good dog.
Good dogs are the ones that get left behind. Just like your foolish friend. Bye.
Never trust sewer rats. Never again! Never again. I was a fool. Not for helping Spusky, but for believing that he's helpless without me. I'm sorry, Spusk. I'm sorry. She broke down and let me in. Made me see where I've been.
Been down one time.
Been down 2 times.
I'm never going back again.
Spusky Gus?
Fluffy John?
Spusky Gus!
Fluffy, it's you. What took so long?
A rat tricked me into thinking that our relationship relies on me saving you to distract me from being pushed down and mugged. But this time, you saved me. Music saves lives.
This is where all of our toxic waste goes.
Ew.